These feelings of anxiety and worry may seem overwhelming, but they're not what you think. They are more than just uncomfortable emotions. They are signals, messengers trying to alert you to deeper layers within yourself that are yearning for attention and care. When anxiety grips you, it is not merely an affliction, but an invitation to explore the parts of your life and soul that might have been overlooked. This anxiety is a beacon, pointing you towards areas of your inner and outer life that need nurturing and transformation. Think about it. Why does your heart race when you're anxious? Why does your mind spin in worry? It is because your body is trying to communicate with you, asking you to slow down and listen. Anxiety can be like a friend waving a flag, saying, "Look here, there's something important you need to see." It's a call to pause and evaluate your life, your thoughts, and your beliefs. Are you living in alignment with your true self? Are you holding on to fears that no longer serve you? These questions might seem daunting, but they are key to unlocking the peace that lies beneath the surface of your worries. When you start viewing anxiety not as an enemy but as a guide, you begin to open yourself to profound self-discovery. This is your sign to embrace these feelings, to sit with them, and to allow them to lead you towards greater clarity and understanding. By recognizing the deeper meaning behind your anxiety, you embark on a journey towards healing and transformation that will illuminate your path to inner peace. If you don't acknowledge these emotions, you might miss the opportunity to find peace and clarity within yourself. Imagine what it would be like to live a life free from the constant grip of worry, to wake up each day with a sense of calm and purpose. This is not a distant dream, but a reality within your reach if you choose to embrace the transformative power of your anxiety. Ignoring your anxiety is like ignoring the alarm bells that are trying to protect you from harm. Without understanding these signals, you risk remaining stuck in a cycle of fear and stress, missing out on the chance to grow and evolve. Anxiety can be a catalyst for profound change, pushing you to examine your life more closely and encouraging you to make the adjustments necessary for true well-being. By taking the time to understand and address the roots of your anxiety, you empower yourself to transform these feelings into a source of strength. This process of transformation is not just about alleviating anxiety. It is about becoming more attuned to who you are and what you need to thrive. When you choose to listen to your anxiety and act upon its message, you are choosing to step into a life of greater awareness and fulfillment. Understanding the root causes of anxiety and worry is the first step towards healing and transformation. Anxiety is often triggered by a combination of external pressures and internal fears that create a state of imbalance. To truly address anxiety, it's essential to explore the factors that contribute to its presence in your life. Many times, anxiety stems from a fear of the unknown or a perceived lack of control over your circumstances. This fear can manifest as worries about the future, concerns about your abilities, or doubts about your worth. These thoughts often originate from past experiences or beliefs that have been ingrained in your mind over time. By identifying these underlying beliefs and examining their validity, you can begin to dismantle the power they hold over you. Another common root cause of anxiety is the pressure to meet expectations, whether they are self-imposed or come from external sources. The desire to succeed, to be perfect, or to please others can create an immense burden, leading to feelings of inadequacy and stress. Recognizing these pressures and giving yourself permission to redefine what success and happiness mean for you can relieve the weight of anxiety. Anxiety can be exacerbated by environmental factors such as lifestyle choices, work demands, and social dynamics. A hectic lifestyle, lack of rest, poor diet, or toxic relationships can all contribute to heightened anxiety levels. By addressing these external factors, you create a more supportive environment for yourself, making it easier to manage and reduce anxiety. Taking the time to explore and understand these root causes allows you to address anxiety at its source. This process involves self-reflection and honest evaluation of your life and choices. It requires a willingness to change the patterns and habits that no longer serve you. By doing so, you open the door to healing and transformation, allowing you to move forward with greater peace and clarity. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in alleviating anxiety by helping you stay present and focused. At its core, Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your full attention to the current moment without judgment. This practice can be incredibly powerful in reducing anxiety, as it allows you to break free from the cycle of rumination and worry about the past or future. When anxiety strikes, your mind often races with thoughts of what could go wrong or what has gone wrong before. Mindfulness offers a gentle but effective way to interrupt this cycle. By focusing on the present moment, you can observe your thoughts without getting swept away by them. This awareness creates space between you and your anxiety, allowing you to respond to it with calmness and clarity rather than fear and panic. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Simple practices such as deep breathing, body scanning, or mindful walking can help ground you in the present moment. These practices encourage you to connect with your body and surroundings, reducing the mental clutter that often accompanies anxiety. Mindfulness also teaches you to accept your emotions as they are, without trying to change or suppress them. This acceptance is key to reducing the intensity of anxiety. When you allow yourself to feel anxious without judgment, you diminish its power over you. You learn to navigate your emotions with compassion, which fosters a greater sense of peace and balance. By embracing mindfulness, you cultivate a mindset that is resilient in the face of anxiety. This resilience empowers you to handle stress more effectively and approach life's challenges with confidence and composure. Through mindfulness, you gain the tools to transform anxiety from a source of distress into a catalyst for personal growth and well-being. Connecting with your inner self for guidance is an essential step in managing anxiety and worry. Your inner self, or inner voice, is the part of you that holds your true desires, wisdom, and values. When anxiety clouds your mind, it can be difficult to hear this voice. However, by intentionally connecting with it, you can gain clarity and direction in times of uncertainty. To connect with your inner self, begin by creating moments of stillness and quiet in your day. This might involve setting aside time for meditation, journaling, or simply sitting in nature. These practices allow you to tune out external distractions and listen to the whispers of your soul. In these moments of reflection, you can ask yourself questions about what you truly want and need, and listen for the answers that arise from within. Your inner self is a wellspring of intuition and insight, offering guidance that is aligned with your highest good. When you are connected to this source, you can navigate life's challenges with greater ease and confidence. This connection helps you discern which worries are valid and which are based on unfounded fears, allowing you to focus your energy on what truly matters. Connecting with your inner self strengthens your sense of self-trust. As you become more attuned to your inner voice, you build a foundation of confidence in your ability to make decisions and handle whatever comes your way. This trust reduces the need to seek validation or answers from external sources, empowering you to stand strong in your truth. By fostering a relationship with your inner self, you create a supportive inner environment that nurtures peace and calm. This connection not only helps you manage anxiety, but also enhances your overall well-being, leading to a more fulfilled and harmonious life. The power of positive affirmations lies in their ability to shift your mindset and promote calmness. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When used consistently, they can help rewire your brain, encouraging a more optimistic outlook on life. Anxiety often thrives on negative self-talk and limiting beliefs that tell you what you can't do or what might go wrong. Positive affirmations serve as a counterbalance to these thoughts, offering new, empowering narratives to embrace. By consciously choosing affirmations that resonate with you, you can gradually change the way you perceive yourself and your circumstances. Incorporating affirmations into your daily routine is simple and effective. Begin each day by reciting a few affirmations that speak to your goals and desires. For example, you might say, "I am calm and at peace. I trust the process of life." Or, "I am capable of handling whatever comes my way." Repeat these statements with conviction, allowing their positive energy to fill your mind and heart. The key to making affirmations work is consistency and belief. While it may feel awkward at first, persist in your practice, and over time, you will notice a shift in your mindset. Affirmations help create new mental patterns that support a sense of calm and confidence, reducing anxiety and fostering a greater sense of well-being. By harnessing the power of positive affirmations, you equip yourself with a powerful tool to combat anxiety and cultivate a positive, resilient mindset. This practice not only alleviates worry, but also empowers you to live a life aligned with your true potential and desires. Prioritizing self-care and rest is crucial in managing anxiety and promoting overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect your own needs in the pursuit of productivity and success. However, when you don't take time to care for yourself, anxiety can quickly take hold, leaving you feeling depleted and overwhelmed. Self-care involves nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional health through intentional practices that replenish your energy. This might include activities like taking a warm bath, engaging in a favorite hobby, or spending time in nature. By making self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine, you create a strong foundation that supports your ability to handle stress and anxiety. Rest is equally important, as it allows your body and mind to recharge. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy emotional balance and cognitive function. When you are well rested, you are better equipped to face challenges and make decisions with clarity and focus. Additionally, incorporating moments of rest throughout your day, such as short breaks or meditation, can help prevent burnout and keep anxiety at bay. Remember, self-care is not a luxury but a necessity. It is an act of self-love that acknowledges your worth and ensures you have the resources needed to thrive. By prioritizing self-care and rest, you cultivate a sense of calm and resilience, empowering you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace. Seeking support from others is a vital step in overcoming anxiety and building a sense of community. While it's important to develop self-reliance, having a support network can provide comfort, encouragement, and perspective when anxiety feels overwhelming. Reaching out to trusted friends, family members, or spiritual communities can offer valuable insights and emotional support. Sharing your thoughts and feelings with others helps alleviate the burden of anxiety and allows you to gain new perspectives on your challenges. Sometimes, just knowing that you are not alone in your struggles can provide immense relief. Personal connections. Consider seeking guidance from professionals such as therapists or counselors who specialize in anxiety management. These experts can provide tools and techniques tailored to your specific needs, helping you navigate anxiety with greater understanding and effectiveness. Engaging with supportive communities, whether in person or online, can also foster a sense of belonging and connection. These groups offer a space to share experiences, exchange advice, and celebrate progress, reinforcing the idea that you are part of a larger journey towards healing and growth. By seeking support from others, you create a network of care that strengthens your ability to manage anxiety and enhances your overall well-being. This support not only helps you cope with challenges, but also enriches your life with meaningful relationships and shared experiences. Letting go of control and trusting the process is a powerful way to reduce anxiety and embrace life with greater ease. Anxiety often arises from a need to control outcomes and a fear of uncertainty. However, by relinquishing this need for control, you open yourself to the natural flow of life and the possibilities it holds. Trusting the process involves accepting that not everything is within your control and that it's okay to not have all the answers. This acceptance frees you from the constant pressure to predict and manage every aspect of your life, allowing you to focus on what you can control, your actions, reactions, and attitudes. Cultivating trust in the process also means believing that the universe has your best interests at heart. It encourages you to have faith that everything happens for a reason and that challenges are opportunities for growth and learning. By embracing this mindset, you can navigate uncertainty with confidence and curiosity rather than fear and anxiety. To practice letting go, start by identifying areas in your life where you feel the need to control. Reflect on why this control feels necessary and consider the benefits of releasing it. Embrace the idea that life is a journey with ups and downs, and that each experience contributes to your personal evolution. By letting go of control and trusting the process, you invite peace and clarity into your life. This shift in perspective not only reduces anxiety, but also empowers you to live with greater freedom and joy. The anxiety and worry you experience are not obstacles, but stepping stones towards inner peace and understanding. By acknowledging and embracing these feelings, you begin a journey of self-discovery that leads to profound healing and transformation. Through mindfulness, inner connection, positive affirmations, self-care, support, and trust, you cultivate a life of greater balance and fulfillment. This is your sign to stop being anxious and worried. Instead, see these emotions as invitations to explore the depths of your soul and uncover the wisdom that lies within. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. You have the power to transform anxiety into a source of strength and resilience, and to create a life that resonates with your true essence. Embrace this opportunity to grow and evolve, knowing that each step you take brings you closer to the peace and clarity you seek. Your path is unique, and every experience is a valuable part of your journey towards wholeness and harmony. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, and that the universe is guiding you towards a brighter, more peaceful future.